Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha Marie and my channel is all about lifestyle, fashion, doula work, travel, DIY, and occasionally plans. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hi guys, I want to talk about these dresses I got. I'm really excited about them. They're really nice. They feel great. This is one of the dresses that I'm wearing today and I will pop a video in. It is all cotton and it has pockets. It has pockets. It's like a baby doll dress. You can wear the straps on your arms or you can just tuck them in. They're not removable, but they are adjustable straps. So this is one of the dresses that I'll be talking about. It's a white baby doll dress. I know I've showed you white dresses before and I probably have way too many, but I really love this dress. I only saw it in this color. I probably would have gotten another color, but it has the elastic back, which is really nice and comfortable. So if you have a big back like I do, then this dress is perfect. I got this dress in an extra large. I'm not even wearing a bra with this, and I could if I wanted to, but I don't really necessarily need to wear one. So this is one of the dresses, the white baby doll dress. I'm going to show the others and let's just get into this haul, guys. Okay, so this next dress here is this off the shoulder or one shoulder ruched turquoise or teal evening dress. You can wear this to a cocktail party. You can wear it out on a date. It feels really good. The fabric feels very soft. It is lined, and it's lined with the same fabric that this is in. This is from Target. Again, it's a new day. I got this in an extra large and I just think it is really cute. I'm gonna pop a video in so you can see, but it comes probably right above my knee or just below. But with the ruching on the side, guys, I think it's really good, especially if you have like a little fupa or a vajumik or just like, you know, a big stomach. You can camouflage it a little bit with the ruching on the side, and you'll see in the video here. I didn't have a shaper on when I tried this on in Target, which is the video that you're looking at, but when I did put the shaper on, oh my goodness, I was snatched and ready for the gauze. Okay, so the ruching is only on one side, which is really nice, and I'll bring it in close so you can see. So this is the ruching on the side, and then the other side is just regular seam. But the ruching goes all the way up the right side. You have this off the shoulder, and it kind of gives this drape sort of look. And I think it's just so sexy and attractive, especially if you have like a broad back or, you know, wide shoulders. It just looks like, I'll just take this off so you can see. So pretend, let's tuck that in. This was on. Look at this. It just gives such a beautiful silhouette of the neckline. And even though you can barely see my clavicle because I'm a little thick, it still gives a really nice, sexy illusion of how beautiful it would look on. And again, I'll show you in the video. You can do this with, you know, nice chunky earrings and maybe, you know, dainty necklace or something like that, like what I have on right now. But I just love this dress. I think it's really sexy, and the color I think looks good on me. You guys can tell me if you think it does or not, but I just love the color. I think they had these in a couple of other colors. They definitely had black and one other color. I'll pop the information in the description, but definitely this color was appealing to me. Like, I have a ton of black dresses, and you know, I have a purple dress, so I was like, this color just really appealed to me. So this you can take into the fall as well. Like, you can wear this for summer, you can wear it for fall, especially if you just throw a little jacket on over it and you're good to go. So this is the second dress from a new day, and again, I got this in an extra large. This was $25. Let's see. Yeah. This was $25. I hope you can see that. And I got an extra large. Really cute dress. All right, let's get into the next dress. So remember, guys, how I said you could have either the strap on the shoulder or off. It could be strapless. I just tucked the strap in, as you can see, and then the back sort of rubber here, so it just gives you enough space. So if you are, you know, big-breasted and you need a little bit more space, you can definitely get this. And again, I got this in an extra large. I'll tell you what the price is, but you can wear it on the shoulder or off. Now, if I wore this off the shoulder, I would probably put on a strapless bra, only because like the strap kind of held up the boob here, whereas if I don't have it on the shoulder, kind of goes down. It's not horrible, but I just feel like I would feel safer if I wore it off the shoulders with a bra. And like I said, this has pockets. The last one didn't have pockets. I think this dress is just adorable. It is really, really cute. It's a great little dress, summer dress you could have, especially if you have like a white affair, if you're going on a cruise, or like, you know, around the city, if you're going on like a day boat sort of outing or dinner, that sort of thing. It's really nice that you could just wear around the city. Or if you're just going on vacation and you want to just have like, you know, a white dress that is kind of like cute and, you know, flirty but not sexy, this dress is perfect. All cotton. There's no lining in this dress, guys, so you may be able to see through it. So I would wear either some dark underwear or some flesh tone underwear, just so that way, definitely not like printed panties or anything like that. But I just think this dress is adorable. And I'll pop a video in here so you can see the full length. Let's get into the next look or outfit. All right, guys. So my next dress from Target is this cute, oh my goodness, little slip dress that I've already worn, and you'll see either in a picture or the video. But this is so cute. It is long on me, guys. It goes down to the floor, but it has a split right on the side here, which is really nice. It's the left side, but it is so cute. I got this one in a extra large, which fits really nicely. Like I said, I've already worn this. The fabric feels really, really nice, typical to a slip dress feel. I got it in black. They had it in black and a few other colors, but I got black because I don't own a black slip dress. Like, I just have not owned one. So I was really, really excited when I saw this. And again, you can wear this in the summertime. You can wear this on a date. You can wear this to a wedding. You can wear this out with your girls night out. I just think it's so versatile. You can wear it in the winter. If you pop a turtleneck on under it, fantastic. You can wear it with a sandal. You can wear it with a heel. You can wear it with a shoe boot, right? Or thigh-high boot, whatever you want. I think these dresses are a staple that you should have in your wardrobe. So this is really, really, really cute. It's a new day. And I think this was, oh, I think all the dresses were $25 at Target. So they have a whole little dress section right now, and all of them are $25, which is really great. So you should get in it. They had a couple of sequence dresses that were really adorable. I think one was like a cream color and one was like a green, like a lime green, shimmery sort of like cocktail party dress for $25. Like, what the what? So run and get yours. They didn't have that in my size. And when I tell you I tried it on, I looked like a stuffed sausage. Like, it was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right. So that I did not get. I'm not even sure that I want to show you like the video, because it was like, first of all, I thought I was going to bust all of the little sequins or glitter things off the dress getting out of it. I squoze into it, and anyway, I did not get that dress because they didn't have my size. So that dress, I would definitely have to size up like 1 or 2 sizes, because it's so structured that there's no give to it really. And with all of the little bedazzles that they put on there. There's no, that's it. You get your size or you go up a size, right? So that was a cute little dress. It was really short. It was like, anyway, guys, go get that if you like it. I will pop a picture in so you can see what I'm talking about. But I don't know if I'm going to put the picture of me because I was just like, whoa. No, Sister Soldier, not for you. And I'm really big on dressing for my body, right? I think it's important that it doesn't matter what size you are. Dress for your body. And if that is like you have large breasts and you can wear a crop top because you have a really small waist and, you know, big hips, wear it. I'm not body shaming anyone by any means. Like, but know what your body can put on. And that's it. And there's bodies that are bigger than mine that can wear stuff that I just can't wear. Like, and that's fine. So I think it's really important to just feel comfortable in whatever you're wearing. And that dress with all the shimmies on it was not, I did not feel comfortable in it. Like, so go get it if you like it. But for me, it was not, they didn't have a size up, so I couldn't get it. This dress right here, like I said, $25. The cutest little slip dress. I got in an extra large, this one. The other dress that I got, guys, and we'll get into that right now, is this. It's also a slip dress, but look at it. It's got this, it's like brown and tan, almost like an animal cheetah print, kind of, I think. It just says brown, but it is almost like a cheetah print. I thought this was adorable, and I do have a cheetah print slip dress, but it's not like this silky sort of satin polyester blend material. And this also has a split on the side as well, which is really nice. This is $25. I got this one in a large, and like I said, it's $25. They have adjustable straps, and it is just really, really sweet. I love it. It is really great. Like I said, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. Gold sandal, brown boot, turtleneck, t-shirt, sneaker, any of that. This is the last dress. So there are 4 dresses total. This white one that I have on with pockets, the only one with pockets, the baby doll dress, and 2 slip dresses, and the off-the-shoulder dress, which I love. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Tell me which dress you like best, if it was the black slip dress or the cheetah slip dress, or if it was this white baby doll dress, or if it was the turquoise dress. So you guys let me know in the comments. I'm going to list everything down below. Like I said, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.